What is up, y'all? We got the USB soldering kit from Ryobi, and we're gonna test this out to see what it do. We're gonna do an unboxing. By far, one of my best USB tools from Ryobi is this one. To cut off packages like this. What's going on here, man? Why is it? I don't know what's going on. There we go. I don't know what's going on here. Alright, so we should be good right here. This is just an unboxing. Basically, it's giving you advertisements to register it to win free tools. It does come with that old. This was on sale, direct tools for $35. The original price was $70. And this is the old school Ryobi battery, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. At least they give you a battery. But this is the soldering pen. What else? It gives you that that USB cord. Remember to register it if you want to. Some people don't. I like to, because you never know, you get a chance to win if you have the Ryobi app. It still has that 20-foot cord that always the USBs come with, which is a nice thing. And I have those batteries on deck. So we're gonna throw one on and show you guys what it do. Got that USB on deck, you already know. All right, and you cannot put it on if the plastic is fully engaged. It has a safety mechanism that is engaged, so it will let the tool know. But if you have it off, oh, there we go. So you got to press on it and then it turns on. But if you guys want to see, I guess you got to press it and as the light right there, press it right here and that light comes on. All right.